What's up guys, happy Thursday. Now we're going to have a fam bam in some of the resorts, beautiful resorts here in Dumaguete. Let's go. Cloudy pa naman. Super cloudy. Rain, go away please. Yay, we're going out. Hi Hailey, Batuktik, Basaksak, and Differentiation. Imported from New York. Saki Huma! Disturb mo kasi akong pag-drive, you know? You're always disturbing my driving. Oh yeah! Nanami sa kabukiran! Yay! Nanami sa kabukiran! Pagbantay! Sabi ni Hailey, pagbantay! Chicken banana! Chicken! Wow, look at the crab! Did you get it, Francian? Chicken banana! Wow! May picturean din. Alright, it's improved already.
Ayaw yun kayo ang sabi, ayaw yun kayo.
Clouds up. Look, okay, we need to turn off the aircon para makaangat din sa Pulang Bato Red Rock Falls. Alright. Siya baling pangamuyo. Guys, so update, andito na po tayo sa Pulang Bato Falls again. Pulang Bato Falls. Alright, 2025. Right. So meron pa pong mas mataas na banda dyan, lugar, mga residential. Wala na pong resort dyan banda. Ito po yung dinaanan natin. Super ganda ng view. Beautiful. Alright. Medyo mataas po dito. Elevated masyado dito mga chong, mga cheng. And dyan po tayo dumaan. And then that's the way. And this is their parking area. Yan po si Makwait. Nakaangat pa rin po. Nakapunta pa rin. Nakaya pa. So, dyan dumadaan tayo dito. Dito. And then their entrance. Main entrance of the Pulang Bato Falls. Alright. Pasok po tayo. Yun, may parking area ng mga motorcycles dyan. Sir, police po tayo dito. Sir, good afternoon. Mayroon po tayong nagbabantay dito sa the bar nila. Wow, Pulang Bato Bar. Linis po, linis. Ako po, dito kayo mag-order ng kain or cool stuff here. Dito po tayo magbabayad. Dito po tayo yung magbabayad ng mga entrance fee natin. Of course, connecting their barns. Yun, entrance. Tapos, dyan yung entrance. Restroom, restroom. Pagdating nyo po, eto, restrooms nila. So, may shower, the restrooms. Napakalinis. Oh my God. In grande, oh. Super clean. Merong pang babae. Of course, meron din pang lalaki sa kabila. Yun. May ginagawa yata tong isang to. May pamangkin, imported pamangkin. She's from New York. Dumating siya last week or this week. Tapos nagyaya na mag-outing, of course. Inaunlakan natin. Yun, may mga sila hall, function hall dyan. Dito pwede rin mag-park ng mga vehicles. Kaso dun inuuna sa baba. Villas for rent. Ito yung pinaka entrance. Dadaanan natin. Ito yung pinakaunang liguan. Medyo malayo sa falls. Meron tayong cottages, mga 800 pesos. May mga saksakan din. Ito yung unang falls. Oh, ang ganda. Woo! Pwede tapos may restaurant sa taas. You know. Woo! Ganda. Gandalicious. Meron po tayong mga saksakan dyan, kuryente. Pag video ke, pwede. Tatalon dyan, pwede. Ayos. Punta tayo sa kabila. Look at the vibes. Red Horse Bar. Red Horse Bar. Sikat yung Red Horse dito. Wow, the second falls. Woo. Relaxing na relaxing dito. Wow. Tapos tambay lang along the falls. Wow. Alright. First cottage between the falls is 1,000. Tapos 800 yung iba, yung smaller ones, 800. Ito namang payong-payong, yung mini table is 300 pesos. At andito po kami, party! Yehey! Hi! Dance naman dyan, Kembot. What's up with our food? We have pinchik. This is pinchik. Pinchik from Bragas. And we have lechon manok, and we have pork belly. And we have Hailey. We have pork belly and we have Hailey.
Ate Hele.
Nama cuk-cuk.
Lagi.
That's the third falls. Wow! Bawal liguan din, sobrang baha. And the tulay. Actually chill din dyan, oh. We rented this whole place exclusive just for us. You were.
She walks in slow with a fire in her eyes. Every steps she takes, the room is hypnotized. She doesn't say a word, but you can't look away. She's got that something you can't.
Nalala sa'yo ang nagkalimutan sumpaan. Na ako'y sa'yo, na ika'y akin lamang. Ang iyong manday umaabot sa buwan. It's time to go home. Alright, that's our McWhite. So it's motorcycle only. Si brother nagmotor lang. So we're going home now, mga chong, mga cheng, mga friends ko dyan, mga sockmates, friends ko dyan, whatsoever. Till next time, my friends.